Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to hide the language bar in Windows 10 so your desktop looks cleaner and less cluttered. Step 1. Click on the Start button in the taskbar, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen, to open the main menu where all your apps and settings are accessible. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu. This will open the Windows Settings app where you can customize your system and manage different options easily. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on the search box at the top and type Advanced Keyboard Settings to quickly find the option that controls the language bar settings. Step 4. Once the Advanced Keyboard Settings window opens, look for the option that says Use the desktop language bar when it's available, and untick this box to hide the language bar from your desktop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.